Hey, what's up, guys? This is Miguel with Miguel's View, and today we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what's moving in the pre-market. We're about 5 minutes till the open, and let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Uh, we have NNDM right now hitting 950. We have ALDX in a 1540 here and coming back down to that 200 on the 1 minute. And here we have GSAT also moving. I'm not sure if GSAT has no news that I can see. Let's look at MVIS. MVIS has been a mover since yesterday, and it's coming down since pre-market been coming down. So it has that trend it has to break, and also has the 200 right there. Let's look at the market. SPY looks like it wants to push up here. GSAT, he went on 160, and then we got ZOM, ZOM. All right, ZOM has been moving up slowly but surely here from 93 cents yesterday at the open to hitting 134 now. So let's keep an eye on ZOM right there. It's right above the 200 EMA right now. So this is one of the things that I love to see is the 200 EMA. Okay, if the stock is above the 200 EMA, it's bullish. It has bullish momentum. The bulls are still in control. You could look for entries. Anything below the 200 EMA, I consider bearish. Okay, so that's the reason why I have the 200 EMA. I do have the 3 minute up. The 3 minute, the moving average here is a little bit different, but it's coincides with the 200 EMA on the 1 minute. I don't like to share the 1 minute because it's a little bit more volatile, plays a little bit more with your emotions, and we can have a better understanding with the 3 minute what the stock is doing. Give me 1 second here while I share our feed. Okay, give me 1 second. Let's go ahead and share this feed. Okay, hope everybody's doing good today. Hope everybody's having a great day. All right, so ALDX, do we have any news on ALDX? It says reports timeline results of phase 3 trial. Okay, phase 3 trial. Okay. All right. That's good. Phase 3. Anytime you have a phase 3 trial, positive news, it's a good thing. All right. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. It is coming down to that 200 EMA. And let's go ahead and draw ourselves a down trend line. Okay, right here. Now, keep in mind, if this breaks, it's going to have resistance here at 1429, right? And that upper trend line going across. NNDM, I would like to see this one come down to test the 200 EMA, also test this downtrend line that it broke, and then it, had momentum. Look at the volume coming when this broke. And come and test it again and then go up. GSAT also doing its thing. Does GSAT have any news? No, I think we checked earlier. Um, no news that I can see. All right, market's open. Um, all right. RIBT is the top gainers. Let's take a look at that. NSPR. All right, all right. There's that pullback on GSAT right there. There's a pullback on GSAT. Testing the 200 EMA. Now, it looks like it came already to 148. These pullbacks to the 200 EMA are great to get entries on. And then you put a stop loss right underneath. There you go, 148. Testing 153 right now. ALDX. ALDX. We can break above this trend line. That's what I'm looking for. RIBT's top gainer right now. Let's take a look. Let's put this one on this chart. RIBT. All right. RIBT hit 120. Stock's kind of choppy here. Does he have any news? I don't see any news on it. And then the AM pulling back. I would like to see this one pull back to the 200 EMA as well. GSAT, ALDX. Everything kind of pulling back right now. Let's bring up ALDX here. You see, we have that 1 minute. Look at that volume come in right at the open. ALDX looks like it wants to break. It's breaking that daily downturn right there. It does have room to run to this 1427. It is hitting some resistance here. This is the 1 minute. This is the 3 minute right here. There it goes. Wants to break out right there. It has a lot of resistance around that area, so be cautious here. We can get above that and hold support there at 1350. We do have room to run to 14.25. Back to ALDX. Okay. ALDX. It's trying here. It's trying. It's looking good. Looking good. There it goes. There it goes. Almost hitting 14. Almost hitting 14. And right here is where I'm thinking it's going to have resistance about 1425 area. There is going to be profit taken at $14 though. There is going to be some profit taken at $14. ALDX is one of the second top gainer at 24% increase at the open. Okay, we're gonna have a pullback here. It's gonna test VWAP. Let's see if we can hold some VWAP here on ALDX. And what's going on in the big cap world? GME. All right, I did some analysis on GME yesterday, and I have a video on YouTube if you want to check that out. But GME is leading again as it did yesterday. All right, let's go back to ALDX. Okay, having a good pullback here. Pulling back here. Yeah, I couldn't get to that 14 level there, but it's, let's see if we can climb back up right here. ALDX. Let's go see what's going on with RVT. Oh, this was holding up nicely. All right. Our side is up there on RBT, so probably have a pullback soon. Let's see if ALDS can come back above VWAP. And get back over 14. ALDX second top gainer. Let's see if we can break VWAP here or if shorts are gonna bring it back down. ALDX. Okay, it's having a little bit of problem right there, getting above VWAP. All right, I don't have the VWAP here on the 1 minute. I'll put it in a little bit. I don't know why I don't have it, that chart. But it's definitely trying. It's definitely trying. Let's see what happens. If it goes above VWAP, it can squeeze out the shorts and get that $14 area to 14.25. Let's see. If you do see the MACD here, it does want to cross. Okay. So if you can cross over and get some momentum to the upside, we will see that 14.25 area. ALDX. Let's see what RBT is doing. Oh, nice. We do have some resistance here. Previous resistance about 1442 right there. All right, ALDX pulling back down. Okay. So this is what I see on ALDX. As long as it doesn't break, okay, it is below this candle right here. All right. Every time we get a signal on the 3 minute, all right, as long as it doesn't break below this candle, you know, you could be loading up in these areas and then stopping out right below the candle right there. So that's the 3 minute strategy that I like to use a lot. So your risk reward is, it's great. It was, I know it's kind of light. Maybe I should make it brighter, but that's the 200 EMA right here. I'll make it brighter. I need to fix this chart a little bit up. 200 EMA is there. Well, maybe I'll put it on the 1 minute so you could see better, because the 200 EMA that I go by on the 3 minute, it's really on the 1 minute. Okay, on the 3 minute, it's like the 66 or something like that. But it's the same thing as that 200 EMA. Okay, here it is. ALDX trying again. If we can get above that VWAP, you know, and we can short squeeze there. RABT. All right, hitting that resistance on the daily right there. Well, there it goes. And it goes ALDX right there. There we go. Let's see if we can break above that $14 area and squeeze some shorts here. Look at that volume candle. Looking good. Again, if you're up in profit, you know, it's a good time to maybe lock some up right there. You can see that you're hitting this trend right here on the 3 minute. So if it doesn't break, you know, it's going to come back down. So I always lock something in and write the rest. ALDX. Did have good news this morning. All right, get that 14. There it is, $14. So we can hit that 14.20 to 14.25. All right, it hit 14. It hit 14, but it needs to hit 14.25. It needs to break 14. It wants to. Having some trouble there. We are above VWAP, so if anything, I'll come test VWAP again and go for a second move. ALDX. Let's see what our RABT is doing here. Ooh, new high, 157. Wow. Why is it moving? I see no news on this. Okay, it's trying here. Let's go right now. Okay, we have this trend line now. All right. Coming back to test VWAP now. Coming back to test VWAP. I know the VWAP, I don't have it on my 1 minute here, but I'll put it in a little while. We have VWAP, and then we have that trend line right here. So that's going to hold us support. You can see we got some momentum, MACD cross, also the squeeze. So everything's looking okay. There we go. We bounced off VWAP. Bounced off VWAP. Also, if you use any EMAs, I like to use the 9 or 10 EMA. It's about the same thing. And it's holding up really well. You have the 10 EMA and the VWAP there. $14 breaks is going to get some momentum. Let's go see what RBT is doing. Oh my gosh, RBT 172. Good lord, what's happening? 173. 173 resistance. Right there, 173 resistance. I think that's going to be the high. Let's go back to this one. Okay, we're forming a little flag there. $14 breaks, 14.25. Get ready. I really missed out on REVT, guys. I don't even know what that stock is up. It's, oh my gosh, 183. You know what? This is good for penny stocks. Okay, if this runs over 200%, 300%, if we just have a big run today, this is going to bring penny stocks back to life. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's break 14. There it is. There it is. There it is. 14. What did we hit? 1443. 1447. Oh my gosh. Woo. $14.47. What a beast. Let's go back to RBT. All right, 183 resistance. All right, let's get a pullback on RBT. Let's let's try about 150. Something near the VWAP. Let me put the VWAP here real quick. Give me 1 minute. I'm putting the VWAP on the 1 minute here. All right, there we see the VWAP now. Right here. What's going on in ALDX? Still holding nicely. All right. If you're up on ALDX, I would take some profits. Give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can put. Okay. I wonder if there's a way to move it to the my face to the. But anyways, RIBT. Okay, it's coming down. I would like it to come down to the VWAP. Our size very oversold. I mean overbought. I'm sorry. It's holding the 10 EMA though. If it breaks that 175, it could see maybe another 10 cents, 185. If it breaks 175, it could see 185, 195. There it is. Let's see, 175. Natural resistance there. When traders see 150, 175 break, they tend to get in on those plays. The momentum players. The momentum players, they like to play those breaks. You couldn't get it though. 176. I'm waiting for a pullback to VWAP. Maybe, you know what? Yeah, our size overbought. We're looking for a pullback. We had a great play here on ALDX. Again, when you see these signals here, all right, that I put together, um, and I was getting somewhere around this area, and your stop loss right below this candle. Wrote this up all the way to 1425. Okay. All right. This is a crucial area right here. If it holds right there, we have the 25 EMA there. I know I don't have all the EMAs here on this chart, and I wanted to be clean for YouTube, so you guys can see it real clear. If I have too many things, it's hard for you guys to see everything. But let's see if we can come and test that VWAP. Okay, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna take some right now on VWAP. I'm gonna change my mind here. $156, $154. Okay, candle opening below the 10 EMA. Watch it here. It might hold here in reverse. It might hold here at 154. It might hold. I think if it breaks 154 area, it's gonna come all the way down to 142. I think it's gonna break VWAP. It will be great if we get a 200, 300% runner and wake up all the penny stocks and just in the next few days just have some momentum in penny stocks. I mean, there it is. It bounced 154. Yeah. Dang it. That should have been a good entry right there. 154 held. That's 10 cents right there. 154, 164. 10 cents. What's that there? ALDX not giving up. Came and tested VWAP. Bounced right back up. Okay, it's testing 154 again. That breaks. I think it's going to see 144. That previous resistance right there where the line is. REBT, 51 million in volume. Top gainer. Second, ALDX. ALDX still holding above VWAP. Okay, we're grabbing some down here. Sold up there. REBT. Yeah, the reason I wasn't looking at REBT this morning because I don't see any news. I don't even know why this stock is moving. Anybody know? Let me look at what some of the stocks are doing. 188. These are some of the swings that I'm swinging. Testing 154 again. Let's see if we get a double bottom there. Or we break out. Yeah. Let's see if we hold VWAP. I think we're going to come to 142 area. Testing VWAP, testing VWAP. Now take a look at the MACD here. A lot of times when it gets, they get too close, right? They'll rebound. Okay, they'll bounce right back up. But okay, testing VWAP, testing VWAP, bouncing off VWAP. Let's see. Let's see if we can bounce up. Break this downtrend. We have room to 172. 150 to 157. That's 7 cents. I don't know. Now take a look at this 3-minute though. This 3-minute. Oh, there it is. Oh, it just broke above. Man, I was hoping it would come down 143. And you know why I'm being more cautious on this play? Because it has no news. Cheers, volume. I don't see any news. I don't even know why it's moving up. $151. If this stock had news, definitely would have taken that VWAP. Let's see if this forms some type of pattern here where we can play a breakout. Just being patient. If this stock REBT had news, I would have definitely taken that VWAP. It's just a bit concerning. I wanted to take a safer play the 143 area. Okay, I think it's gonna have a pullback now. ALDX. Stock's not giving up. It's not giving up. KR's on REBT on 10 minutes, way overbought. So I was hitting that. Being a little bit more cautious. Watching this MACD. It's losing momentum. You can see here in the histogram. It's losing momentum. All right, let's go see what's going on with everything else. Ooh, ALDX. Just had a major pullback there. Everything else coming down. Wow. Yeah, I couldn't break that 14. All right, BT. Had a good run. 111 to 183. Good run. The problem is I don't see any news and it could get shorted back down. Really, really good. Now we have traders concerned because of this now. Look at that big sell-off. So now traders are going to be a bit cautious. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to have some resistance at 171 to 179. Let's see what happens. Just being cautious here. As you can see, the histogram here it's losing momentum. So all these spikes right here, they could just be scalps. 10-cent scalps. You buy the dips, and then you sell those moves up. Those little spikes. Mm. 170 resistance. That's what previously hit, and it came back right back down. See what happens here. I just wish we had some sort of news. I really missed out on that VWAP because of that. A lot of times without no news, the stocks just, they hit that high day and then they just get shorted the rest of the day. Everybody takes their profits. The bears, they get their turn. And it's a win-win situation for both sides. But RABT. Has that 170 resistance. Watch the MACD right here. Histogram's losing steam. Okay. Be cautious. We're still above VWAP. Let's go look at ALDX, see what happens. Gosh, what a drop. Almost $1. Yeah, a whole dollar drop. That's why we don't buy these top areas. Let's see what Tesla's doing. Tesla had good earnings yesterday. It's coming down. Does have some support here in this area, the 700s. RABT coming down. Wants to test VWAP again. $156 breaks. 155. 155 breaks, and it's It's coming down. Yeah, it's looking bearish now. Just the MACD here. So all these spikes right here were just scalping, getting your 10, 12 cents. And that's it. It's coming to test that 142 area. There just isn't a whole lot to play. MVIS. This is stock I'm swinging. It's looking good. I mean, very low volume, but for the long term, it's coming off that daily. Really nice. There's a pullback. ALDX trying to work itself back up to the VWAP, GSAT. And GSAT had no news neither. BYND. BYND is something that I'm looking at. If we can test it on these levels, I'll put an alert. Alert below. We can get around those levels. It's been bouncing off for a contract. DQ finally putting back after a nice $17 run. NAKD is something to watch. Did hit bottom at 50 cents and trying to reverse. Okay, so here's the deal with NAKD. If we get back to around 60 cents, I'm going to look to pick some up. And I have an alert there. Anything in the 60-cent area, 60 cents and below, I'm going to pick some up. I think this stock is ready for a bounce. For a nice reversal. IBT. So IBT, we're just going to keep an eye on until we get a reversal confirmation. Okay, so top two leading gainers are IBT and ALDX. ALDX making a comeback from that big candle sell-off. 13, a low 1301. And what happened here probably hit everybody's stop losses, and it just sold off like that. I don't know if there's a way to put my picture on the left so we can see the daily chart. Next, I don't see the daily chart here. Mm-hmm. All right, BT. AHL also getting some momentum. A lot of stocks, a lot of penny stocks bouncing from lows from a week ago. ACE also. They're all moving in low volume, but they're moving. If they get some sort of news catalyst, definitely bounce right back up. Go ahead and take a look at the market. The SPY, okay, it's selling off a bit. I mean, we're hitting all-time highs 2 days ago. I think we're due for a pullback. Probably gonna hit around 14-15 area. Around this area. I'm gonna test here before another bounce up. Not gonna happen today, but in a few days. My top watch right now is REBT. I think ALDX with that big sell-off. Traders are gonna be very cautious with this one. I'm done with it. RIBT didn't come all the way down to that 144 area. Hit 147. What is MVIS doing? MVIS. It's trying to curl up.